What's up, everybody? Sean and I are out here today, gonna bring y'all a little adventure. We rode a little bit last night, and that footage you just can't see anything. So we're gonna come out today and see if we can get you any daylight time riding. Throw that gum out. I know y'all don't want to hear me chewing the whole time. Look at this back tire. It looks sketchy. Your back tire looks so sketchy, dude. Your back tire looks so sketchy.
Right home on a flat.
Huh?
I was just right home on a flat.
That's true. I did too on mine. Me and Sean's out here. Sean's still on it. Pretty good wheelie for y'all. Let's pull over here. I thought we had some cars behind us. I thought we had a car right on us. I set it down. You kept her up for a while. So this way down that road, it's duck. Down the hill. Had to go around these corners. That's this guy. He checked for traffic for me as I was up on that wheelie. What about that wheelie? Did you see dude check for traffic for me so I could ride by on a wheelie? I had to keep going. I went around all those corners and down that hill, dude. That's pretty sick. It's on film. We got that. That's how we roll, boys, you know. You already know. You know how we do. He's waving us through. Whoa, whoa. That dude's cool. He was waving us through traffic, stopping traffic for us. So guys, last night, man, I'm all about these wheelies. Wheelies on the streets, pigback adventures. But right? But I'm all about these pigback adventures. But we found a jump last night, man, and we were ripping the jump. Even though my suspension's garbage, but that was so much fun. I gotta get the track in the backyard going again. Woo. But jumping these things is so much fun, man. I never jumped a dirt bike before. I used to ride BMX and jump BMX bikes and stuff, but never a dirt bike. Well, we're out here on a quest for Sean said a dirt mound somewhere that we might be able to jump. We're out looking for the jumps today. There's a car right there. Is it back in there?
Yeah.
We can go up to that dump. There's some bumps up there. I didn't look at them to jump them.
Where?
At that dump on top of that hill by the track. Remember that hill climb? It is up there. Or we can ride up to the power line, see if those guys are working. That's a jump, I'm sure. We can go check up there real quick. We're on an adventure, it don't matter.
Behind you.
See if we can break off a little nose wheelie. Woo, that's really grippy. Let's go this way. Dang, we're out here getting passed by cars. We really need that fourth gear swap. That's just ridiculous. I'm sure I'm running 35, what the speed limit is. I lost Sean. Here he comes. What about that car passing us? Hell, we were running probably 35, doing the speed limit. I was like, oh my God, it did me too. It's mud bogging time, boys. Just kidding, I am not getting muddy today. Is there anybody up there working? Of course. Woo, about ripped my foot off. We can go down to the track and go up to that dump and see if we can find us a jump. Let's go show the people. So Billy got his KLX 120, or not 125, KLX 110 last night, and he likes it a lot. I don't want to keep messing with that guy down there. We can ride the grass over back that way. Ow. Yeah, so the next upgrade I'm going to get if I don't get a tire is going to be probably a probably a spring, because I want to start jumping this thing. That's a good little drop in, a little burn ride. Couldn't hold it over the bump. So I got that wheelie up. Slow and third now. I love it. I love it. I knew it was going to happen. There's Billy's new KLX 110. The Jeep. Alright, so I've got y'all. Y'all are still mounted to my helmet. I'm just carrying my helmet because my other camera died, so I got it charging. But I didn't want to miss any of this action that we got going on down here. So as you can see from the previous video, Sean's tire went flat. So we're thinking take one of these scooters, cheap little scooters, front tire off because it's bigger, put it on the front, use that tire and tube on the rear so we can keep riding. So we're kind of haggering it up today. It'll be me when we're finished. So I'll be back.